Hi and welcome in Python for Complete Beginners. I'm Hussein Rubai. I have a master in software engineering. I have worked as web developer since 9 years and I have a lot of experience with software development. And I want to share this knowledge with you. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you Python from scratch. Even if you don't have any programming experience, that is totally okay. I will start teaching you the programming foundation, then we will go and I teach you what we mean by variables, then conditions, then how we use loops and other stuff. Then we will talk about databases and how we could store information in the database and how we could retrieve this information and how we could work with files. And then we will talk about object-oriented programming and how we could use object-oriented programming in our code. Then we will talk about multiprocessing and how we could run more than one process in some time. Then we will go forward and we will talk about some of building function in Python like map and reduce and more that will help us a lot when we work with Python. Also, we will talk about desktop application in Python and how we could develop desktop application in Python that run on different OS like Windows, Mac, Linux, which is an important part in this course. Finally, by the end of this course, we will implement complete desktop application project in Python. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started with Python for Complete Beginners and see you in